in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back to settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accounts on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to go down. Scroll down on the right side underneath account settings where it says sign in options. And then underneath ways to sign in, select where it says password, and then give it a moment and select the change button. Enter in your current password and then select next, and then you can type in your new password, confirm it, and then provide a hint, and then select next, and then it will apply the next time you restart your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.